This is a plant that I don't actually know the variety. I will try to look it up before I post this. But it has these little tiny white flowers. There you can see it. And they're like above the little round green leaves. And you can easily see the old growth and all the new growth down there. And so I'm just going to cut off the old stems right where they meet the new growth, and this will stay evergreen throughout the winter. And then from that new growth down there, then plants for next year will come, or the stems I should say. Like a little carpet down there of new foliage. The stems are also easy enough to just break down closer to the soil. But just like the echinacea, the birds like it, so I think I'm going to leave it rather than cutting it. It's kind of cute. It reminds me a little bit of millet. If you know what it is, let me know in the comments. Valen actually replanted it from somewhere in there because he liked it so much. It has like a little, like a pillow of white tiny flowers, kind of reminiscent of these mums, but just on a smaller scale.